Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Happy Gardening. Today we're going to talk about the air plant. So these guys get their name because they are actually not planted in soil. They're found living on other plants and trees. So they're suspended in the air and basically embed themselves into other plants. They're not harmful, but it's pretty neat knowing that's where they're found. As far as care goes, they're going to want bright indirect light and watering about once a week. Now there are two options when it comes to watering. One is going ahead and dipping them all the way in the water. Let them sit in there for about 20 minutes or so and then take them out. The key to this watering method though is we let ours dry upside down, so this face would be flat down. That way there isn't any water that gets trapped in there. That can lead to rot. Another option is thoroughly spritzing it all over. That's going to also do the same thing and then kind of give it a good little shake off at the end, again ensuring that there's no water sitting inside. Two problems that we want to talk about. One is if all of a sudden there's a lot of mushy leaves or something, or they seem to be falling off and it's like a mushy base, that goes back to the water thing, so make sure you're allowing it to dry out more. It's not sitting too long with water in it. And the other thing is if there are crispy leaves, in that case, that typically means it's not getting enough humidity or enough water. So go ahead and let it soak a little bit longer or mist it a little bit more regularly. Okay, the last thing is, what if your air plant is losing leaves? That typically means there's something in the environment that's stressing it out, so maybe it's not enough light, or maybe the watering schedule is off, in which case you want to just adjust that so that the leaves don't fall off anymore. And if you do all these things, you're going to have a happy, healthy, thriving air plant. They're the best additions for bookshelves and little odd spots that you can't fully fit a pot sometimes. So they make a fun addition to any home. We hope that you enjoy this video and it helps you care for your air plant. Thank you and happy gardening.